In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use DeepSearch Voice Chat. This is a new feature that was recently added in ChatGPT and how you can use it. In your input prompt, make sure that you have turned on this button, which is the deep research. And now we can now ask him something about a research or the AI industry by clicking the voice chat. Turn on your mic. Now let's add a prompt to this AI. Can you tell me how I can add AI into my web development project? And then after doing that, can you provide a text recording about this conversation after giving me an answer? Thank you.
That's a great idea. Combining your skills in AI and web development can produce some fantastic results. To start, you want to set up a Python backend using a framework like Flask or Fast API to handle the machine learning model. This backend will receive data from your React frontend and return predictions or insights.
Now let's close this. And as you can see, it has generated the text recording this conversation that we just started. That's it. That's how you can use DeepSearch Voice Chat, and thank you for listening.